B.1.1.7 is the name for the COVID-19 variant that is being talked about in several parts of the world, including the United Kingdom, the United States, and even here in Jamaica. As a matter of fact, like those countries, Jamaica has also seen cases of this new variant. Immunologist Dr. Johan White says this variant is nothing new, as it is a natural part of the life cycle for viruses as they transmit from one person to the next or between animals to humans and vice versa.
So it's a natural part of the life cycle of viruses to have mutations. But what is special about this variant that is being described is that it's a combination of mutations. So about 17 to 20 different changes in the genetic code of the virus. So the genetic code is the genes that determine what the virus looks like, its structure and its ability and its function.
However, Dr. White cautions that this variant is highly contagious. Dr. White says it is 70% more infectious than other variants of COVID-19.
It is of particular concern. It is more transmissible, meaning it's spread more easily from one person to the next. But fortunately, so far, we're not seeing any evidence of this variant in particular causing any more severe disease or whether persons with this variant are more likely to die. But of course, if there's more transmission happening, then this means that you have a greater number of people who will become infected, and so the number of people who will die or the number of people who will be hospitalized will also increase because more people are becoming infected.
He's encouraging persons to continue to take the necessary steps to avoid getting the virus. Dr. White says the good news is, so far, the vaccines that have been developed for COVID-19 will be able to provide adequate coverage in terms of protection from the variant.
Of course, we need more definitive data. In other words, there has to be no new clinical trials looking specifically at whether these vaccines are in fact protective for persons who are susceptible to these new variants, or if these vaccines are also protective against the variant strains. So far, it seems like we're covered, but we're scientists and physicians and we rely on more concrete data, so it would be important to see what additional clinical trials reveal.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.